Every survey you see, every clean map, every boundary line, every contour starts long before the drawing is made. It begins with a partnership between land surveyors and survey drafters. Let's start with the surveyors. Surveyors are the people who go out into the field. They walk the land, they study the terrain, and they collect the measurements. They search for old iron pins, markers, and monuments, sometimes hidden under soil or pavement. They verify fence lines, measure structures, look for encroachments, and record every detail with GPS, total stations, and other instruments. Their goal is simple: capture the land exactly the way it exists, with no assumptions. Once the field data is collected, the second half of the process begins. The data comes into the office prof, and that's where survey drafters take over. Drafters open the raw points in CAD. They organize them, clean them, and start bringing order to the information. They rebuild property boundaries using legal descriptions. They connect lines based on bearings and distances. They place structures, utilities, driveways, elevations, and they apply standards, layers, symbols, and notes. Drafters turn thousands of field measurements into a clear, readable survey. Surveyors and drafters work side by side, even if one is outside and the other is at a desk. Surveyors might call to clarify a detail. Drafters might ask about a missing point or a corner that seems off. It's constant communication, because accuracy isn't just about measuring the land. It's about interpreting the land correctly. When both teams work together, the final survey becomes a reliable document clients, engineers, architects, and city officials can trust. So when you hold a finished survey in your hands, you're not just looking at lines on paper. You're looking at the combined work of two professions: surveyors who capture the truth on the ground, and drafters who translate that truth into a drawing.